About 20 soldiers from the North Dakota National Guard prepared for how to respond to a blizzard emergency today. The training exercise involved splitting soldiers into multiple teams to learn how to rescue people. One team was tasked with sending missing requests to the other team, which represented the operations center. The operations team would then practice sending out units and tracking them, monitoring the mission until it was complete.
Full exercise itself is anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, but the leading up to it, we could have a week or two in advance of preparation work.
Military personnel say the last time there was a large response to a blizzard was about 10 years ago.